Namaste, dear devotees and well-wishers. Since 11th August 1951, Ramakrishna Mission Mangalore has been serving this society with dedication and love with the blessings of Holy Trio, Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Sarada Devi and Swami Vivekananda. For 75 years, our ashrama has stood as a beacon of selfless service through educational, social, cultural and spiritual activities. Some of our key initiatives include Balakashrama, a free hostel and training center for poor yet meritorious rural students. Swachh Mangaluru Abhiyan, cleanliness drives, awareness programs and large-scale volunteering. Vivekananda Coaching Center, providing tuition and guidance for underprivileged children. Sri Sarada Devi Adhyayana Kendra, a study hall supporting aspirants of competitive exams. Youth and student programs, including Viveka Spurti school campus visits, Viveka Jagrati college sessions, Viveka Vahini mobile book exhibition, Yuva weekend youth visits to ashram, Viveka Vani, a monthly lecture series with Mangaluru University, Be and Make leadership development workshops, and regular seminars and value education programs. Cultural events such as Yakshagana, Hindustani and Carnatic music, Dasavani, Harikatha, etc. Through these initiatives, we have touched countless lives in and around Mangaluru, carrying forward the message of service and harmony. As we celebrate our 75th year, we gratefully recall devotion, service and support of our monks, devotees, volunteers and well-wishers in this sacred journey. We are delighted to invite you to Amrita Varsha Platinum Jubilee celebration to be held from 11 to 14 September 2025. The first 3 days will feature Shraddha, Medha and Prajna. Special symposium for postgraduate students, teachers, aspiring teachers and professional students, all centered on the noble theme, Service, the Spirit of True Education. On 14 September 2025, we shall have inauguration of Amrita Varsha Platinum Jubilee year-long celebration in the divine presence of Srimad Swami Suhitanji Maharaj, Vice President of Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, Belur Mutt, Howrah. On this auspicious occasion, we will also inaugurate Amrita Bhavana and a Vivekananda Coaching Center classrooms in the august presence of eminent guests. We warmly invite you to participate, extend your support and join us in celebrating this divine journey of service and spirituality. Jai Ramakrishna.